Welcome, beautiful souls. Today we're not just looking at AI, we're exploring a business model and tech story. DBIMR ReliefNet tells us about innovation, opportunity, and staying relevant after 50. If you're building something new, a business, a side hustle, or a tech skill, this matters. The DBIMR ReliefNet is an AI-powered business competing with major business brands. It's packed with tech, from advanced futuristic ideas, and yet it represents something bigger than just AI and automation. You might be thinking, but I'm over 50, I'm not buying tech. And that's okay. What this tells us is that technology is advancing faster than ever, and with rapid change comes new business and income opportunities for those willing to adapt. DBIMR ReliefNet shows that complex tech can be simple to experience but challenging to create. That's exactly the kind of gap where business ideas for beginners can thrive. You help others understand and use tech without the overwhelm. Whether it's teaching AI tools, starting a consultancy, or reviewing products, simplicity is a market advantage. Companies like DBIMR ReliefNet prove innovation isn't limited by age or origin. Likewise, entrepreneurship after 50 isn't only possible, it's needed. You bring wisdom and practical judgment that younger founders often lack. Here are 7 practical ways you can tap into this trend. 1. Tech education for beginners. Teach what you're learning as you learn it. Many people over 50 are curious but intimidated by AI. You can offer simple tutorials, email, short videos, PDFs, one-to-one guidance, or group Zoom sessions, AI made simple walkthroughs. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead. Tech education for beginners. Offer tutorials or support for peers learning tech. Niche content creation. 2. Niche content creation, 50+ friendly. Create clear, honest content for a specific audience. Examples: review AI tools in plain English. Explain what AI can and can't do. Compare tools with real-life use cases. Platforms: YouTube, blogs, LinkedIn, Facebook. Monetize with ads, affiliates, or lead funnels. Consulting in your expertise. 3. Consulting. Using your life and work. Experience. AI doesn't replace experience, it amplifies it. You can help others apply AI to business basics, marketing fundamentals, productivity, and workflow. Career transitions after 50. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. 4. Affiliate marketing. With AI tools, recommend tools you already use or trust. AI can help you write emails and landing pages, generate social media posts, answer customer questions. You earn commissions while AI does the heavy lifting. 5. Digital products powered by AI. Turn knowledge into assets once. Sell repeatedly. Examples: short guides or ebooks, prompt packs for beginners, checklists and planners. Mini courses. AI helps you create faster, cleaner, and cheaper. 6. AI-powered services for small businesses. Many small business owners don't want to learn AI, they want results. You can offer content creation services, email or chatbot setup, simple automation solutions. Position yourself as the bridge between business and technology. 7. Personal brand and community building. People don't follow tools, they follow people. Use AI to stay consistent with content, repurpose videos into posts. Manage newsletters and communities. Over time, your brand becomes the business. The big takeaway: you don't need to build AI to benefit from AI. You only need to understand a problem, serve a specific audience, use AI as leverage. Just like the DBIMR ReliefNet challenges superiority, you can challenge old assumptions about what people over 50 can do. You don't need advanced tech skills, you need clear thinking, consistency, and empathy for your audience. If you found this useful, tap the videos linked on screen to keep going. Comment below. What's one business idea you want to pursue this year?